Now let's see multi-container pipeline. So using multi-containers, it has become increasingly common for code bases to rely on multiple different technologies. For example, a repository might have both a Java-based back-end API implementation and a JavaScript-based front-end implementation. Combining Docker and pipeline allows a Jenkins file used to multiple types of technologies by combining the agent directive. So with different stages that we're going to look into this file now. So we're going to look into this file. So that is, it consists of a multiple containers on this file. You can see that. Um, so in this, you see that it started with the pipeline block, and after that you have two containers, two agents. This is our first one and this is the second one. So these are two stages, and in each stage we have a different containers, different images, a Docker image Maven in the first stage and a node image in the second stage. Let's build this. Let's write this. So let me create a new pipeline. This is Docker pass multi container exercise. Click on pipeline and say OK, and this is multi container pipeline, and scroll down and let's begin writing the pipeline. So pipeline, so agent initial one is none. Then let's begin our stages. So stages directive, inside the stages block we are going to write our first stage, that is backend. And space. So agent in this is our Docker image Maven colon, tag is 3.8.1 and adopt to so adopt OpenJDK 11 is fine. OpenJDK 11 is fine, and then close the braces. And so first agent is set up. Then let's write steps, what steps it has to do. So the steps directive sh mvn version, that's it, nothing much is required. Then let me make another one. So this is for another container. This time we are going to use a node container. So stage, and here it's a front end agent, again Docker image, and this time it is node, tag is 16 13 1 and alpine, and close the braces. So let me add steps now. sh node and version. So rest all fine. Let me save this and let me build this pipeline with multi containers. So before that, let me, okay, it's been done. Yeah, it's been built. So let me check the console output first. You see the Maven, Docker inspect Maven. So Maven image has been pulled, then Docker it's started, and then it's been stopped, and then it's been removed. And similarly for the node 16.13 tag also same thing happened, and it has also printed the version. So it's finished successfully. So let's get back into the exercise and we'll see the pipeline one more time. Let me click on full stage view. You see that you have two stages. One is backend container, second one is front end container. So let me rerun this. Let me rebuild it. Yes, this time it's successful. So now let's get into our server and we will see. Uh, okay. Let's see the status. So clear the screen and Docker images. You see that? You got the Maven and Node both together. 16.13.1 Alpine node and Maven 3.8.1 adapt to JDK. So this is how we can run a multi containers also. So then let's close this Docker using pipeline Jenkins pipeline. So we'll wrap up this section with this final example. So reusing an example from above with a more custom Docker file. So in spite of this, you can write your own Docker file that we are going to do in our mega project. So and you can mention those information here and you can rerun that